Hello, friends. If you do not believe that your life can be transformed with the law of attraction, this video is not for you. Otherwise, watch until the end, because it is important to understand that everything in the world is energy from you to every object in your house. Everything has an energetic vibration that can propel you forward or hold you back. I started to manifest miracles in my life that I had never imagined. By removing these items from your home, you can align your living space with universe principles, promoting health, wealth, and happiness. Regularly assessing and decluttering your home can help maintain a positive energy flow and create a more serene and prosperous environment. 1. Broken items. Broken clocks, mirrors, and other damaged objects are considered inauspicious in Vastu. They symbolize stagnation and decay, potentially leading to health issues and financial instability. Replace or repair these items promptly to restore balance and energy flow in your home. 2. Old newspapers and magazines clutter is a major Vastu no-no. Piles of old newspapers and magazines not only gather dust, but also disrupt the energy flow in your home. Regularly declutter these items to maintain a clean and organized environment, which can enhance mental clarity and reduce stress. 3. Dead plants and dried flowers. While living plants bring positive energy and vitality, dead plants and dried flowers can have the opposite effect. They symbolize death and decay, which can negatively impact your home's atmosphere. Replace them with fresh plants to invigorate your living space. 4. Broken electronics. Non-functional electronics are another source of negative energy in Vastu. These items can create a sense of frustration and impede the flow of positive energy. Dispose of or repair broken electronics to ensure your home remains a source of positivity and productivity. 5. Leaky faucets and plumbing issues. Water represents wealth in Vastu Shastra. Leaky faucets and plumbing issues can signify financial loss and instability. Ensure all plumbing in your home is in good working order to prevent the metaphorical and literal draining of resources. 6. Old clothes and shoes. Holding onto old clothes and shoes that you no longer use can accumulate stagnant energy. Donating or discarding these items can free up space and allow for new, positive energy to enter your life. 7. Sharp objects displayed prominently. Sharp objects such as knives and scissors should not be displayed prominently in your home. They can create a sense of aggression and anxiety. Store these items out of sight to promote a peaceful and harmonious atmosphere. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to get latest videos for happy and prosperous life lessons. Call +91 9467366056 or visit www.mindcareerexcellence.com for online DMIT test. Your fingerprints discover your inborn, God-gifted talents, skill sets, personality, behavior, learning style, stream selection after 10th and right career options. Thank you.